Hello, in front of me I've got Lexus NX200t. In this video I'll tell you how often to change oil in this car. For the Lexus NX200t, oil change intervals depend on your driving conditions. Recommended oil change interval every 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers or 6 months if using conventional or blended oil. Every 10,000 miles or 16,000 kilometers or 12 months if using full synthetic oil, which is recommended. Factors that may require more frequent oil changes. Severe driving conditions. Change oil every 5,000 miles if you frequently drive in stop-and-go traffic, take short trips often, and you drive in extreme heat, cold or dusty conditions. Also, if you tow or carry heavy loads. The best oil type for Lexus NX200t is 0W20 full synthetic oil, and the oil capacity is 5.3 liters with filter change. Even if you don't hit the mileage limit, change your oil at least once a year to prevent sludge buildup. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.